Maya pa oras kabalen. Kaya tabi mabilog ang persaning GNN TV44, pabiyala rin makapanahon at lokal na istoryang dapat yung abalo, apamilataning garantisado, kumpleto ang pambalansing informasyon. Ora ni Pura Balita MEKALAP ngening LUNIS, July 7, 2025. Kaya ko po Benny Ginto at iti ing News Force, Pampanga. Para ka rin kabale na maninton bale, opisyal na neng pesinayan ning SMDC ing Bayong Residential Development king Siyudad Mabalacat ay ning report.
Binuklat na nening SM Development Corporation o SMDC ing Symphony Homes. Meto nga 28-hectare residential community king barangay at Lubola, syudad na ning Mabalacat, king kapag nasa namamye modern at hassle-free a pamibiyebye libutad ning Central Luzon. Bidaketi, reng yayaliwang house and lot units, kalupad na reng 2-story townhouses, single attached homes at shop houses, ang magumpisa king alagang 2.8 million pesos hanggang 6.5 million pesos. Atin mo namang complete package king amenities ating clubhouse, swimming pools, gym, sports court, pet park, playgrounds, co-working spaces at landscape gardens.
When we design HRD or MRDs, important kasi na holistic yung approach pagdating dun sa
SMDC is excited to launch Symphony Homes in Pampanga. Symphony Homes embodies SMDC's commitment to comfort, connectivity, and convenience. Dagdag da pa, plano yang i-replicate ing makanining community model kareng aliwapang lugar. Peg maragol na mo namang Gab Laurel, Vice President and Head of Land Bank Strategy ning SM Prime ing strategic location king Mabalacat. It's connected by land, rail, and air thanks to SCTEX, LLEX, NSCR, and Clark International Airport. Perfect KT para ka rin pamilyang maninton work-life balance at investors abisa king smart location choice. Kawani king accessibility, malapit siya naman ng Symphony Homes kareng eskwela, hospital, shopping centers at tourist destination. The goal is to build a community that supports family life, work, and relaxation, safe, modern, and sustainable. According to SMDC, Symphony Homes is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle upgrade. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.
Miyang panglangsaw kareng persons deprived of liberty o PDL ing Federation of Homeowners Association king San Fernando. Pakibalwan tayo iti king report ng Angel Dumagat.
Mapaling pamanyalubong ing binyeda reng San Fernando District Jail Male Dormitory kareng opisyalis ning Federation of Homeowners Association ning lungsod ning San Fernando. Napeni muna ng Police Lieutenant Lito Mangune at taliwa pang opisyal ning asosasyon. Midake lang sawop kareng 151 persons deprived of liberty o PDL, kaya beking binyeda ing pamangan, hygiene kits at habyas. Mabiluging kapasalamatan ning San Fernando District Jail king papakit as suporta ning Homeowners Association kareng PDL. Kaugne na niti, midakela naman school supplies reng pedowa king miyayaliwang eskwela king Siyudad San Fernando. Ako Angel Dumagat para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu king Balen susunod.
Balaw sing suporta ning SM Supermalls kareng artist kapamilyataning Art for Everyone. Ay ning report.
Kulay, kwento at kultura. Lahat yan makikita mo sa Art for Everyone sa SM City Clark hanggang July 14. Hatid ng SM Supermalls ang Art for Everyone na isang nationwide art fest na sabay-sabay na ginaganap sa 18 SM Malls ngayong Hulyo. Matapos ang matagumpay na 2024 Art Market na nanalo ng Gold Stevie Award, mas pinalawak pa ng SM ang suporta nito sa Filipino artists mula baguhan hanggang sa mga pro.
Our main purpose for this SM Art for Everyone is to showcase the talent of our local artists in Pampanga, Olongapo, and Tarlac.
Makikita sa exhibit ang iba't ibang uri ng sining, paintings, prints, digital art, mixed media at sculptures. Lahat gawa ng homegrown Pinoy talent. Hindi lang ito art display ha, kundi art experience na bukas para sa lahat. Art lover ka man, collector o simpleng mall goer na naghahanap ng inspirasyon.
So ako po ang nagiging flexible kung ano po yung level nila sa art. So kung saan po yung kaya muna, doon muna ako nagsa-start until such time na nag-i-improve ang kanilang mga fine motors at even yung kanilang mga expression lumalabas na rin dito. Sasabihin nila or sometimes ipo-point out nila because doon sa studio, meron po kaming iba't ibang mga paintings na nandoon. So doon po nila nakikita at doon sila na-inspire kung anong mga gusto nilang i-paint.
Tuloy ang kilig sa sining dito sa SM City Clark. Halina't suportahan ang gawang Pinoy, makipagkwentuhan sa artist at baka dito mo pa mahanap ang susunod mong paboritong artwork.
We would like to invite everyone to join and visit our SM Art for Everyone located at the Event Center 3 of SM City Clark.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.
Atin pa ang mga paling balita king pa magbalik ning News Force Pampanga.
Panandamaning El Nino. Kung toro papali o mitatasing temperatura, daragul mo naman ing pamangailangan king kuryente. King daragula demand king kuryente asang kaning paning pamangamit kareng appliances kalupaning aircon, freezer at refrigerator. Asahan tamo naman na siguradong tuki ing kimot ning presyo ning kuryente amani batan king wholesale electricity spot market. Inya naman papaganakan ing isfelap ko kareng hanggang consumers ing paniguradong pamagbayo ning konsumo at presyo ning kuryente balang kilowatt hour. Manatiling makayantabe king kaya kaming Facebook page para kareng latest advisory. Beto nga paganaka, ibat king isfelap ko.
Dini pa rin balitang dapat tamong tutukan. Tukluking 70 companies ing may kisan metong king kaduang banuaning franchise Pinas ay ni-report.
Business-minded ka ba? May pangarap kang sariling negosyo pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Good news! Franchise Pinas is back and bigger than ever. Matagumpay na muling isinagawa ang Franchise Pinas 2025, ang nag-iisang franchise expo sa Central Luzon nitong July 5 to 6 sa SMX Convention Center Clark. Open to all and absolutely free. This two-day event brought aspiring entrepreneurs, seasoned business owners, and investors under one roof for a weekend of business matching, learning, and opportunities.
This is actually our second year, although we missed it out last year. So we had it in October 2023 talaga. Also here in SMX. So, bale year 2 na namin to dahil nga nag-skip lang ng 2024. But we're having it bigger and better this year. There are over 70 brands, and of course, a lot of our general sponsors have their own booths with us.
Organized by Epic Events Production led by Louis Alcantara, the same group behind Clark Aurora Music Festival, the expo is proof that business can be bold and exciting too. One of the exhibitors, ang The Daily Detox, a proudly local health brand na 10 years nang nag-ooperate with 18 branches all over Luzon.
So 10 years na po itong negosyo, 2014 pa po nag-start, into health po talaga ako. Kaso nung nagka-baby ako, medyo lumobo rin ako. And actually, I just lost 80 pounds. Yes, and all because of the Daily Detox.
Kabilang sa mga sponsors ang GCash, who emphasized the role of digital wallets in making payments smooth and accessible, especially for startups.
So, kaya po kami nandito sa GCash is for us to be able to help our MSMEs para po magkaroon po sila ng additional payment solution, which is GCash for Business na comparing po sa GCash Personal, wala pong limit ito. So kung may mga questions po sila, pwede po nilang bisitahin yung booth natin ngayon dito sa Franchise Pinas.
Meanwhile, Converge ICT reminded everyone about the non-negotiable, reliable internet.
So regardless of the business, the type of business, talagang napakahalaga na ang internet connection ay very reliable, hindi lang mabilis. Kasi kung ito laging nagda-down or may mga konting hiccups sa internet, and may direct effect yon sa productivity ng isang negosyo. So kapag merong negative effect yun sa productivity ng negosyo, ang impact nun sa business financially negative din. So syempre bawas kita yun. It could also result to a walk away, 'di ba, ng customer. Kunwari isang coffee shop, walang wifi or lagi nagda-down. So
Franchise Pinas isn't just a business event, it's a movement. One that encourages Pinoys, especially the younger crowd, to dream bigger and take the step into entrepreneurship. Kaya next time na may Franchise Pinas, make sure you're there. Who knows, baka yan na ang start ng future business mo.
So this event kasi, very timely siya. Because ang franchising is one of the 5-point agenda ni Secretary. The other 4 are diversification, financing, mentoring, tsaka digitalization. But parang hindi siya bago sa amin. Because this kind of event, na-stage na ng DTI yan with our International Food Expo, yung aming World Food Expo, combine siya as in nandiyan yung mga MSMEs at the same time nandiyan yung mga suppliers ng mga equipment, specifically sa food sector. So talaga it will help na parang meron na tayong na-identify na supplier for our food sector nung mga equipment, no? And then we are also giving chance to our mga MSMEs natin na i-adapt yung bagong business model.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.
Kay katamong pakibaluan ng bilining panahon kay lalawigan, kilo ng 24 oras.
Agpangking pag-aso, ala ng makatas at tropical cyclone wind signal at malaut na keng bansa in bagyong Bising at atune keng laut of 405 kilometers keng north-northwest ning Itbay at Batanes. Asahan pa mo rin kanu imbigla pamanuran dahil keng southwest monsoon, king Luzon at king western section ning Visayas ang Mindanao.
Kabalen maging parti ka king pamagbalita king News Force Pampanga na anumang kaganapan, isyo reklamo king kay lugal, malyari mong ikwento ay sumbong kapamilatan na rin numerong mayakit king kayong screen. Malyari mo namang mag-post ka rin kaming social media accounts. Panalakaran ng News and Public Affairs Team ng GNN TV 44, ingadilan kayong mata sa kalidad ng lokal na pamagbalita bilang panatang serbisyo karing sa Blang Kapampangan. Ay venue lang en LUNIS, MEKALAP pa istorya, ketiking probinsya. Ako po, Beniginto at ini, ing News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutu, ing balen, susuyo.